practicing Artemis moonwalks in the desert, a developmental milestone for our lunar roving robot, and previewing our new polar climate mission. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. In preparation for Artemis missions on the moon, we conducted a week-long field test near Flagstaff, Arizona. With flight controllers and scientists monitoring activities from Johnson Space Center in Houston, a field team including NASA astronauts Kate Rubins and Andre Douglas practiced moonwalk scenarios, performed technology demonstrations, and conducted hardware checkouts and other Artemis science-related operations. This was the highest fidelity Artemis moonwalk mission simulation the team has performed to date. The team building our Viper lunar rover recently passed a system test readiness review, clearing the team to begin environmental testing of the rover. The environmental tests will simulate the extreme conditions the rover will see during launch and landing, as well as replicate the harsh environmental conditions it will experience at the lunar South Pole region. Viper will search the moon for ice and other potential resources ahead of future Artemis astronaut missions to the lunar surface. Our PREFIRE mission, short for Polar Radiant Energy in the Far Infrared Experiment, aims to improve life on Earth by studying heat loss from our polar regions and by providing information on our changing climate. Much of our planet's polar heat loss is in far infrared wavelengths and has never been systematically measured. The first of the mission's 2 shoebox-sized satellites is targeted to launch no earlier than May 22nd. This new image from our Hubble Space Telescope shows a triple star system located about 550 light-years away in the constellation Taurus. One of the stars, called HP Tau, is a type of young variable star that hasn't begun nuclear fusion yet, but is beginning to evolve into a hydrogen-fueled star like our Sun. This type of star tends to be younger than 10 million years old. In comparison, our Sun is around 4.6 billion years old. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more about what else we're up to, check out nasa.gov.